Bolduc. She's working on the entertaining speech from the Advanced Communication Series, Entertaining Speaking Series, and the objectives of the speech are to entertain the audience by relating a personal experience and organizing an entertaining speech for maximum impact. The time for her speech today is 5 to 7 minutes. Please welcome Hae.
Thank you, Madam Toastmaster. Fellow Toastmasters, honored guests, do you have favorite shoes? This is mine. This is so comfortable. I can be in these shoes for about 9 to 10 hours a day. And makes me look taller. I am only 5¼ inch tall, but when I'm wearing this, I can say 5'3". You have favorite shoes that you wear so much, your bottom of the heel, rubbers are all gone, and leave you with just bare metal. And every time you walk by, make that annoying sound. Tick, 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 tick. Not only for you, people go by you, their look portrays, get that thing fixed. That's what happened to these shoes. Even though I have an exact same length of leg, somehow these right shoes, the rubber got all worn out and making that annoying sounds, and it was driving me crazy. And there are two ways to fix these problems. Either I toss this to the dumpster and buy new shoes, or get the heel fixed. Buying is easy. As you know, there are gazillion shoe stores in Park City. You can go and buy it. Fixing, that's another story. There are none. 0 shoe repair shoes in Park City. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your opportunity to open new business if you know how to hammer. Since this was my favorite shoes, I decided to take rough road to fixing the heel. I Googled up and I found a shoe store down State Street, Salt Lake. It's called Steve's Shoe Repair. I decided to take Friday off since Steve's Shoe Store doesn't open weekends. So I walk in this little tiny shoe store in State Street. This huge giant guy with the leather vest and ponytail, and I said, "You must be Steve." He said, "Yes, I am." I said, "Well, I have this my favorite shoes. Could you just put it a piece of rubber and bang it on it? And I'm from Park City, and I don't want to make another trip down here." Oh my God. You should have seen look on his face. I don't know, up to this date, I do not know what triggered his blood pressure to go up. All I knew was I was in Steve's wrong foot. He said, "Lady, look at this work. This is all this week's work." And he pointed out, "Look at this work. This is all next week's work. You must come back next Thursday after 4 p.m. I said, "Okay." And I left. Thursday came, and before I trip down to Salt Lake City, I want to make sure my shoes are ready to pick up. So I called 3 times. He never picked up the call. He said, "Steve's Shoe Repair, leave a message." I took a chance. I went down there 5 p.m. Luckily, my shoes was ready to pick up. I was so excited. I handed out my credit card, and he said, "Do you read the sign? We don't take credit card. We only take checks or cash." Wow. I said, "Steve, I don't carry around checks, neither I don't have cash with me. Why don't I take my shoes home and I mail you a check?" He raised his voice like this. "I cannot do that." I raised my voice up to this much and I said, "Steve, look at me. Look at this face. Do I look like I'm going to screw you over with the $1995? He was ready to kill me. I got scared. I said, "Okay, where is the closest ATM?" And he said, 2 blocks down the road. So I ran out of the store, and withdrew $20, paid $2.50 for ATM fee. Came in and handed over the $20. The moral of the story is that these old shoes cost more than brand new shoes. $1995 fixing it, $2.50 ATM fee, 2 trips down to Salt Lake City. But is it worth it? Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, perhaps you have all pair of shoes that require repair. Give us Steve a ring.